Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to add stroke and borders in After Effects. Let's get started. So I have one composition for sample and one logo. Let's select this logo, move to inside our composition and press S, change scale, close scale. Then select this logo, let's Ctrl D for duplicate. Select this logo file and change name stroke. And go to FX preset, search effect fill. Select this fill. Let's use for this stroke. Change stroke color white. Click OK. Then select the stroke, press S. Change scale size like this. Okay, nice. This is very easy, and let's select these layers. Right mouse, precoms, add name, logo width, stroke. Click OK. So, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.